In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a loan on Binance, a process that's straightforward and doesn't require a credit check. This step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to successfully secure a loan on this popular cryptocurrency platform. So, get comfortable and let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to log into your Binance account. It's important to note that before you can proceed with obtaining a loan, you must have completed the Know Your Customer, or KYC, verification process. This step is crucial as it ensures the security and legitimacy of the transactions on the platform, so make sure this is done beforehand. Once logged in, head over to the Loans section of the platform, which is where all the magic happens. Next, you're going to select the cryptocurrency you'd like to use as collateral. Binance offers various options for this, including cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Binance Coin, BNB. The choice of collateral is a significant one because the value of your collateral impacts your loan terms. So consider carefully which asset works best for your situation. After choosing your collateral, it's time to delve into the specifics of your loan. First, select the asset you wish to borrow. Binance generally offers options like USDT and BUSD. Once you've made your choice, enter the desired loan amount. Remember to be realistic about what you need and can manage. Then, decide on the loan term that best suits your needs, with options typically ranging from 7 to 180 days. Each choice here will affect the interest rate and any applicable fees, so be sure to review this information in detail. Before finalizing your loan, it's vital to take a moment to review some key details. Look at the loan-to-value, or LTV ratio, which is crucial as it determines how much you can borrow relative to your collateral. Pay attention to the margin call levels and liquidation levels. These indicate when you might be required to add more collateral or face liquidation if the value of your collateral drops significantly. Understanding the risks associated with the fluctuating value of cryptocurrencies is essential as it can impact your loan. Feeling confident about these terms? Great. Go ahead and click on Start Borrowing to confirm your loan. Once everything is confirmed, you'll promptly receive your borrowed funds, which will be credited directly to your Binance account. It's as simple as that. Now, when it comes to repaying your loan, Binance provides flexibility. You're free to repay at any time before the due date. To do this, navigate to the Ongoing Orders section of your account, select the loan you wish to repay, and click Repay. Once you've fully repaid the loan, your collateral will be returned to you, hassle-free. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on securing a loan with Binance. Thank you for tuning in, and happy borrowing.